팀 찍으래. 인디비주얼 체험 말다. 인디비주얼 팀 캐치하다 소마. 야, 지금 팀 잡아낸다. 제기 솜쇼. 팀 잡아!
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story.
나이스. 나이스.